All right, today is July 27th, and yeah, this is about 12:40 p.m. already. Yeah, so I had to take care of some personal errands, and then yeah, I'm at Vince's Cafe, and right here next to CorePower Yoga, right downstairs at Kahala Mall, right. So, and Vince's Cafe, they got today's special lemongrass chicken, banh mi, noodle bowl. Mm. Okay, so you gotta decide. Yeah, right here, looking around. All right, I'm gonna go in. Let's take a look. Wow, small spot. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. More food. Oh, they got a menu right up here. All right. So drinks over here. Hello. Hi. Oh, okay. So they got small menu right over here. Oh, yeah. The menu right there. Okay. So let's see. What am I gonna have? Banh mi, micha petis. Okay. Vietnamese sandwich. Banh mi, vermicelli noodle. All right. So oh, yeah, high choice over here. Okay, so do I have a banh mi or bun heo kueh? Bun ga no.
Right. Just do whatever.
Wow. Okay, I tried already banh mi. So wait, the noodles. Okay. Bun barbecue chicken, tofu, or roasted pork. I like roasted pork. Okay. Hi. Let me see. I'm gonna go for. So I guess there'll be a bun, vermicelli noodle bowl, bun heo kueh, roasted pork.
Roasted pork from Michigan noodle.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'll continue once my order comes out. And oh wow, they got nice plants over here set up. Yeah. All right. So while I'm waiting, yeah, right outside. This is a seating area. They got 2 tables set up so far. All right. Had some customers earlier. And yeah, CorePower Yoga right here. And oh, this is completely on the other side, right? So Queen's Hair Care Center right there. Yeah. Yeah, it's a very small, cute cafe. Yeah, right here. And their schedule open 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Closed on Sundays. Right. Vince's Cafe Vietnamese. Sure. Yeah. And today's special was a lemongrass, a banh mi, and noodle bowl. So anyway, I'll try the noodle bowl. Yeah, pork. So anyway, I'll pause for now. Alright, so I got my noodle bowl right over here, and yeah, let me tell you, roasted pork, and wow, okay, so a little different. Let's take a look. What is this? Nice. Yeah, and hot pepper. So I'm not sure. Am I supposed to dip it or? Yeah, I think. Wait, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to dip it or pour it in. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try. Wait. Maybe I'm supposed to mix it. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Maybe I'll try. Yeah, this is kind of different. First time having this. All right. Wow. Yeah. Mm, nice. It's the first time I'm tasting as such, and this is unique. So maybe I was supposed to dip it, but this turned out pretty good. Yeah. At the thought below, just keep mixing. Yeah. Mixed noodle, Vietnamese. Mm. The seasoning is just right taste. Mm. So this is completely on the other side. And backside, Kahala Mall. I thought it was on the second floor. Well, now I'm learning more. Mm.
Today?
Yes, very good.
I love your dog. So cute.
Wow, so today I get to try something new. Very tasty too. Mm. So yeah, I think I did it the right way. Just pour it in and then just mix it. Mm. Alright. The seasoning is really good. Wow. Right mixture. Ah, that was a good meal. Alright. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.